Did you know there's a creature in the ocean that looks like a vegetable, but it's actually an animal? Meet the sea cucumber. Don't let the name fool you. It's not a plant, and it's definitely not for your salad. The sea cucumber is one of the ocean's strangest but most important creatures. Let's dive in and learn all about it. Deep down on the ocean floor, where it's calm and quiet, lives the sea cucumber. It moves slowly, very slowly, using tiny tube feet hidden under its soft body. It looks squishy and wobbly, but that helps it blend into the sand and stay safe from predators. Sea cucumbers come in many colors: brown, black, red, even pink. Some live in shallow reefs, while others live miles deep, where sunlight never reaches. So, what does a sea cucumber eat? Well, yuck alert, it eats the ocean's leftovers. It slurps up sand and mud filled with bits of dead plants and animals, then filters out the good stuff inside its body. When it's done, it pushes out clean sand, just like a vacuum cleaner of the sea. Without sea cucumbers, the ocean floor would be covered in waste and rot. They help keep the ocean clean and healthy for everyone. Now, here's where things get really weird. When a predator tries to eat it, like a crab or a fish, the sea cucumber can do something shocking. It shoots out its insides. Yes, really. It throws out sticky threads and parts of its body to confuse the enemy. While the predator is distracted, the sea cucumber makes a quick escape. But don't worry, it can grow everything back in just a few weeks. That's one amazing superpower. Sea cucumbers don't breathe like us. They actually use their rear ends to breathe. Inside, they have special tubes called respiratory trees that take in water and get oxygen. And when they move, they crawl slowly using tiny suction feet, kind of like a snail, but with more squish. Sea cucumbers belong to the same family as starfish and sea urchins. That means they're echinoderms, animals with spiny skin. Even though they look different, they share a special body design that helps them live on the ocean floor. In coral reefs, they work together with shrimp, crabs, and small fish. Some shrimp even live inside sea cucumbers for protection. Talk about a cozy home. Sea cucumbers might not be fast or fancy, but they're super important to the ocean. They clean the seabed, recycle nutrients, and make sure coral reefs stay healthy. In some places, people even protect sea cucumbers because without them, the ocean could become dirty and unbalanced. They're nature's own recycling heroes. The sea cucumber might not roar, swim fast, or glow in the dark, but it plays one of the most important roles in the ocean, keeping it clean and balanced. So next time you think of amazing ocean animals, remember the humble, hardworking sea cucumber, the quiet cleaner that keeps our seas sparkling. Thanks for watching, little explorers. If you loved learning about the sea cucumber, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BrightMinds Kid for more fun ocean adventures. Think of amazing ocean animals. Remember the humble, hardworking sea cucumber, the quiet cleaner that keeps our seas sparkling.